Hello, my name is Alemu Tekewe. In 2013, I started my PhD at the Australian Institute for Bioengineering and Nanotechnology at the University of Queensland. I aim to make a new rotavirus vaccine, but first a little about my life before coming to Australia. I was born and grew up in a rural area in Ethiopia. Growing up on a farm, one of my elder brothers attended high school and was an important early influence for me. With his encouragement as well as that of my parents, I went to a local elementary school. My desire for education helped me to overcome the challenges associated with growing up in a rural area. My elementary school was a 5-kilometer walk away, and I was forced to move out of home as a 16-year-old in order to attend high school. With the scholarship support from the Ethiopian Ministry of Education, I graduated with a Bachelor of Pharmacy and undertook a Master of Technology in India. I returned to Ethiopia as a lecturer for 5 years in the School of Pharmacy at Addis Ababa University. Ethiopia is home to more than 80 million people. This ancient country is characterized by a wide range of ecological and climatic conditions, and is home to 8 cultural and natural wonders on the UNESCO World Heritage List. Despite its natural beauty, Ethiopia is classified as one of the poorest nations in the world, still facing major development challenges. It is the country furthest from reaching the UN Millennium Development Goals in many areas. Progress is particularly slow on improving the health of women and children. Rotavirus-related diarrhea causes high pediatric mortality. Poor nutrition, poor access to rehydration therapy, and a lack of safe, effective, and cheap vaccines are major causes of this problem. I am committed to finding solutions to these problems. My PhD project will address the problem of the use of live attenuated oral rotavirus vaccines and how they can't be implemented in Ethiopia because of financial and logistic challenges. To address such problems, alternative approaches must be found urgently. During the past decade, Professor Anton Middelberg and his group at AIBN at the University of Queensland have developed a new transformational platform technology that can make vaccines through a new process based on self-assembling proteins. By controlling assembly, they are able to form a virus-like particle in solution, really simplifying the manufacturing process. These VLPs, as they are called, are not infectious, but strongly stimulate the immune system. So your body learns to fight a real virus by practicing on a VLP.
The big advantage of this platform is that it uses bacteria for production. The bacteria are very easy to grow, which means that vaccines can be made in a less complex way that's relevant to the developing world. We are working to address different diseases where there is a clear unmet need relating to the speed or cost of vaccine manufacture. These include malaria, influenza, and Group A streptococcus.
It has been incredible to be a part of AIBN. My interest is in rotavirus, and I am working on specific designs for vaccines against this disease. Along with other group members, we'll be making and then testing vaccine designs that will be relevant to Ethiopia. The AIBN is a place where researchers are involved in multidisciplinary projects, from vaccine engineering to development of novel nanomaterials. The knowledge and the skills that I will acquire from working in such an environment will help me to transfer the outcomes from my PhD to my country. Ethiopia and other countries in sub-Saharan Africa urgently need a low-cost technology to produce vaccines and other pharmaceuticals locally. I have strong ambitions to contribute to the development of the pharmaceutical and the biopharmaceutical sector in Ethiopia. What I will learn in Australia will help me to translate my dream into a reality. A lack of resources and specialized skills in Ethiopia will mean it will not be an easy path. But I hope that with a little help from my new friends and with the aid of donating organizations and governments, I will make a real difference.